Christopher Columbus, an Italian voyager, once referred to papayas as the fruit of the angels. The fruit, which is extremely rich in vitamin C, has a wide range of health benefits, making it a great fruit option to include in your diet. Here are some of the top health benefits of papaya. Number 1. Lowers cholesterol. Papaya is rich in fiber, vitamin C and antioxidants which prevent cholesterol buildup in your arteries. Too much cholesterol buildup can lead to several heart diseases including heart attack and hypertension. Number 2. Helps in weight loss. Those looking to lose weight must include papaya in their diet as it is very low in calories. The fiber content in papaya leaves you feeling full and also clears your bowel movement, making your weight loss regime easier. 3. Boosts your immunity. Your immunity system acts as a shield against various infections that can make you really sick. A single papaya contains more than 200% of your daily requirement of vitamin C, making it great for your immunity. Number 4. Good for diabetics. Papaya is an excellent food option for diabetics as it has a low sugar content even though it is sweet to taste. Also, people who don't have diabetes can eat papaya to prevent it from happening. Number 5. Great for your eyes. Papaya is rich in vitamin A which helps protect your vision from degenerating. Nobody wants to lose their ability to see due to diseases like age-related macular degeneration, and eating papayas will ensure that you do not see a day where you cannot see. Number 6. Protects against arthritis. Arthritis can be a really debilitating disease and people who have it may find their quality of life reduced significantly. Eating papayas are good for your bones as they have anti-inflammatory properties along with vitamin C, which helps in keeping various forms of arthritis at bay. A study published in Annals of the Rheumatic Diseases showed that people who consumed foods low in vitamin C were 3 times more likely to have arthritis than those who didn't. Number 7. Improves digestion. In today's times, it is near impossible to avoid eating foods that are bad for your digestive system. Often we find ourselves eating junk food or restaurant food prepared in excessive quantities of oil. Eating a papaya daily can make up for such occasional mistakes, as it has a digestive enzyme known as papain along with fiber which helps improve your digestive health. Number 8. Helps ease menstrual pain. Women who are experiencing menstrual pain should help themselves to several servings of papaya, as an enzyme called papain helps in regulating and easing flow during menstrual periods. Number 9. Prevents signs of aging. All of us would love to stay young forever, but no one in this world has managed to do it. Still, healthy habits like eating a papaya daily will prolong the process and may make you look 5 years younger than you are. Papaya is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E and antioxidants like beta-carotene which helps prevent your skin from free radical damage, keeping wrinkles and other signs of aging at bay. Number 10. Prevents cancer. Papaya is a rich source of antioxidants, phytonutrients and flavonoids that prevent your cells from undergoing free radical damage. Some studies have also linked the consumption of papaya to reduced risk of colon and prostate cancer. Number 11. Helps reduce stress. After working hard for the whole day, it is a good idea to come home to a plate of papayas. The wonder fruit is rich in several nutrients like vitamin C which can keep you free from stress. According to a study conducted in University of Alabama, found that 200 milligrams of vitamin C can help regulate the flow of stress hormones in rats. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy food, please subscribe to the channel.